Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing rod, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from fishing rods, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing rod dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Plusinno Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing. Introducing the Plusinno Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Set, crafted with 100% carbon fiber for unparalleled durability. This full kit, complete with a carrier case, includes everything a novice angler needs, from fishing rod and reel to various lures, hooks, and essential accessories. The telescopic fishing rod boasts a sensitive graphite blank construction, aluminum oxide guide inserts, and stainless steel hooded reel seats for corrosion resistance. Its collapsible design ensures easy storage and travel convenience, making it ideal for sea and boat fishing adventures. Paired with the HA 3000 fishing reel featuring a deep aluminum spool, high line capacity, and a sturdy plastic body, this combo offers instant anti-reverse and power drive gears for optimal strength. With multiple lengths and actions to choose from, it's suitable for anglers of all levels. Whether it's for Father's Day or any special occasion, this fishing kit makes for the perfect gift for your father, husband, fiancé, or boyfriend. Elevate their fishing experience with the Plusinno Fishing Rod and Reel Combos for unforgettable moments by the water. Number 2. Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos with Telescopic Fishing. Introducing the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos with Telescopic Fishing, a comprehensive kit designed for anglers of all levels. This set includes a carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod, fishing reel, carrier bag, lures, fishing line, and essential accessories, ensuring you're fully equipped for your fishing adventures. Crafted with high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, the fishing rod is incredibly durable yet lightweight. Its 6 ceramic guide rings provide smooth casting and dissipate heat efficiently, while the epoxy resin adhesive ensures solid construction. The accompanying reel boasts 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and a powerful 5:1 gear ratio for ultra-smooth performance. With interchangeable CNC machined aluminum handles and an aerospace-grade aluminum honeycomb spool, it's both sturdy and lightweight. Compact and portable, this combo is perfect for travel, fitting easily in car trunks, boats, or backpacks. Plus, with Sougaylang's worry-free 1-year service warranty, you can fish with confidence knowing any issues will be promptly resolved by their dedicated customer service team. Upgrade your fishing experience with the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos and enjoy endless adventures on the water. Number 3. Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Reels and Fishing Rod Combos. Introducing the Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Reels and Fishing Rod Combos, a convenient 2-pack featuring 2 of Zebco's renowned Spincast combos. Each combo includes a durable 5'6" 2-piece fiberglass fishing rod, with the Zebco 202 combo equipped with a size 30 reel and the 404 combo with a size 40 reel, offering anglers versatile options for their fishing adventures. Designed for ease of use, these combos feature Zebco's patented no-tangle design and push-button mechanics, making them ideal for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Both rods come with comfortable EVA handles for extended fishing sessions. The Zebco 202 combo features a size 30 Spincast reel with all-metal gears and a smooth 2:1 gear ratio, pre-spooled with a 10-pound Zebco fishing line. Perfect for catching panfish, trout, walleye, bass, and more. The Zebco 404 combo includes a size 40 Spincast reel with similar features, pre-spooled with 15-pound Cajun fishing line, suitable for targeting walleye, bass, catfish, striper, and saltwater fish. Trusted since 1949, Zebco invites you to explore the outdoors with confidence. Backed by a 1-year warranty against defects, these combos offer reliability and performance for all your fishing endeavors. Number 4. Abu Garcia Black Max and Max X Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo. Introducing the Abu Garcia Black Max and Max X Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo, engineered for maximum performance on the water. The Max X6 fishing rod and reel combo feature Abu Garcia's innovative rocket line management system, extending casting distance while enhancing accuracy with the rocket spool lip design. With a line rating of 612 lb and medium power, this combo boasts a moderate fast action, making it ideal for a variety of fishing techniques. The lightweight and durable graphite body and rotor, paired with a machined aluminum spool, ensure smooth operation and increased sensitivity. Equipped with an oil-felt front drag system and 4 total bearings, including 3 ball bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, this combo delivers unparalleled smoothness and control. The Abu custom integrated reel seat with a split handle caters to both right and left-handed anglers, offering ultimate comfort and versatility. Experience better than ever Abu Garcia engineering with the Black Max and Max X spinning reel and fishing rod combo, trusted by professional anglers and designed for those who fish to win. Number 5. Ministoream Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rods Combo Set. Introducing the Ministoream Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rods Combo Set, perfect for anglers seeking convenience and performance on the water. This comprehensive kit includes 2 carbon fiber fishing poles, each equipped with a powerful FF14 spinning reel, all packed in a convenient carrier bag. Crafted from high-density carbon fiber, these rods are incredibly durable yet lightweight, with a telescopic design for easy transportation. The included spinning reels feature a folding design and metal handles for comfortable use, along with an exchangeable rocker arm to suit different user preferences. With a variety of hard and soft lures included, such as minnows, crankbaits, hooks, and worms, this combo set is ready for any fishing adventure. Built with unbeatable quality, Ministoream ensures that anglers can tackle every lake, river, pond, and stream with confidence. Experience the convenience and performance of the Ministoream Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rods Combo Set and elevate your fishing game today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.